Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure Chrome is up to date. That reduces compatibility issues. Once done, sign into your Google account if you want extensions sync across devices. Now open Chrome and navigate to the Chrome Web Store. Use the address bar, type Chrome Web Store, and press Enter. You're ready to search. Type Ad Blocker in the store search field, then scan ratings and reviews for reliability. Make sure to prefer extensions with many users and recent updates. Trust signals matter. You'll compare a few top options by rating, user count, and last update. This tells you which is actively supported. Once you pick one, click Add to Chrome, read the permission dialog, and confirm only if the permissions match expected features. After installation, Chrome shows the extension icon. Pin it to the toolbar for quick access. If the extension opens a welcome page, follow initial setup prompts and enable recommended protections. These steps optimize blocking behavior and ensure you must configure the extension. Open its settings to set blocking aggressiveness and whitelist any sites you trust. Then verify functionality by visiting an ad-heavy page. Once done, you should see fewer ads and faster page loads. If you enabled incognito access, test there too. If ads persist, make sure to disable other extensions that may conflict, clear browser cache, and restart Chrome. These actions often resolve permission or caching glitches. If problems continue, reinstall the extension to reset defaults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.